Maintenance of outboards is something that's so important to pay attention to, whether you're looking at these smaller outboards or the larger ones. And an impeller is very important in these outboards. It simply keeps your engine running at the correct temperatures. So pay attention to these simple steps to make sure that you get that steady flow of cold water and have those engines running perfect all year long. So as you can see, it's really just a few simple steps to change out that impeller. So if you're mechanically handy, go ahead and try it yourself. But if you're not, make sure you go into those Mercury dealerships and let those technicians take care of it to ensure that your engine's going to run great all year long.